Today I'm going to show you how to make pizza tortilla. See what it tastes like. It's really good. Love the texture, love the flavor, and best homemade pizza ever. Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking for Kids TV. Today I'm going to show you how to make pizza tortilla. All the things you need is pizza sauce, oregano. You can add something else if you don't like oregano, or add oregano and then something else. Pepperoni, you could add something else if you don't like pepperoni, and cheese. You can add different kind of cheese too. And this is all you need to do. You also need your spatula. I'm gonna place this to the side over here. Then all you need to do is grab your first tortilla, grab the sauce, I scoop it with this side, I place it in the middle, and then I don't use this side, I use the back side. And make sure, if you get too close to the edge, it will like trip off. So I want you to get as close to the edge, but without dripping it off. And if you're a professional, you could like do it fast without getting it close to the edge. And this is also good for like friends, parties, all that kind of stuff. Then all you need to do is grab your cheese, much cheese as you want, spread it all around. Make sure there's no gap of cheese like this, no gap or some. I'm gonna cover in all the red. Not like all of it, like leave a little bit of it. So like once you place the pepperoni, it sticks a little bit, and then once you place the cheese on top of the pepperoni, it sticks. Alright, this is enough cheese. Add a little here, and here. Then all you need to do is add your pepperoni, place it down, like a little hard. Second. Also add as much pepperoni as you want. Then all you need to do is add more cheese so the pepperoni sticks and the tortilla holds it together. Then all you need to do is grab your oregano or anything. Alright, done. So then you place it carefully because you don't want to spill. So I use a spatula so it doesn't spill, so it's more flat, other than your hands. Place down gently, don't like just place it down like that. Then you add the tortilla after you wait a few seconds, and then don't press it down or the sauce will like pop out and like messy and ruin your pan. I'm pressing it only down a little. And here's a tip. Once the cheese is all melted, it's a good time to carefully like grab it and then flip it gently, not like bam. And then after you do the first time, you'll be like a pro riding a skateboard. Patience is the key to being a chef. I think it's done. Yep, done. That's like been cooking for a while. That looks like a soft pizza. And here's a tip. Once the cheese is all melted, ready to flip. Okay, that is ready. Alright, now it is ready. Then, this is all you need to do. Don't like place it down or like the sauce will like fall out. So this is what I want you to do. Grab one finger or two and slice it down. Then, turn it off. And then, all you need to do is grab your pizza cutter. And it's a little hard to cut it, so I want you to like cut it hard. And also, it's still sharp, so watch your fingers once you're like cutting it, because you don't want to like, alright? Done. Got it. Boom, that's a part. And here is what it looks like, and it's very tasty. And here's what it looks like. Jalapeno, jalapeno. It also smells like pizza too. Okay guys, now I'm going to taste it. See what it tastes like. It's really good. Love the texture, love the flavor, and best homemade pizza ever. Tastes like pizza, smells like pizza, feels like pizza. That's the best pizza on Meatballs. It smells like pizza, it tastes like pizza, feels like pizza. That's the best pizza on the road. And subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get notified on all the videos we do. Bye. Maddox, come try this. What? You want some pizza? Sure. You want to see?
It tastes more like cheese.
Yeah, what do you rate it? 0 out of 10. What do you rate it? I rate it 9 out of 10.
I give it 10,000 through 10.
What do you like about it?
The pepperoni and the cheese. In there, and also I like it.
Subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get notified all the videos we do. Bye.
See you tomorrow.
For this recipe, you will need sauce, pizza sauce, oregano. You could add something else if you like. Pepperoni, add something else if you like. Cheese, add a different kind of cheese.